Hey, we need Nerm Term, episode 100.
Oh yeah.
Oh shoot, okay. A bug inspector just came to my house, and then he started checking everything.
Here, I made a script. I'm gonna send it to you.
Oh dude.
See?
Oh shoot. Oh no. I was about to say Hans Mole Man, but that's the wrong character.
That's Jasper.
I know. I forgot the name. Old Jewish man. Oh, what? Old Jewish man. Okay, what the frick was this video about again? Oh yeah, Nerm Term.
Nerm Term.
Nerf. Okay, Nerm Sperm, episode 1. Nermal.
Oh yeah. Where'd you find those BBs?
I want Nermal. Okay, I'm gonna turn on screen share. We're gonna share Nermal. I'm searching up Nermal. Let's see what shows up. I don't know what this episode is. It can be what. This episode. Oh shoot.
God. Oh god, dude. I'm giving birth. Hold on.
Nermal the cat come from what?
Saying Nermal the cat comfort kitty.
Oh yeah, he gives me comfort. No. No. No.
Oh, no Nermal. None.
Get it? Because Garfield hates Nermal. Oh frick. This is Nermal. This is Nermal Google search. This is what this episode is. Oh shoot.
Dude.
To do my famous kitten mailing routine.
Shut up!
Where do you want to mail?
I'm trying to.
Where else? Maestro?
Yo, is that Sam's
Far away. Abu Dhabi. That's where you'll stay.
Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi.
Who's annoying me? Yeah. Abu Dhabi. Way off the track.
Garfield sucks at singing. This is trash. Who listened to this?
Hear it, so
when was this show? This show? Frick! What the frick is this song?
Abu Dhabi. Now don't come back. Abu Dhabi. What a great.
People listen to this?
Kitten who can make me ill.
Dude, they be trying to take
Oh
my
shoot!
toes.
He ran him over. What the frick? This is just somebody's screen. Wait. Had Nermal crying? They have Nermal crying.
Nermal crying. Dude, you can't show that.
What were they watching?
Nermal crying.
Best SpongeBob memes? Halloween pumpkin singing puppy dog? Okay, this person does not have good opinions. Dude, we need Nermal the real sugar baby.
Check, test.
Undertale 5.
What the frick is this? We need just give up on life. Listen to this.
Hello?
I can't.
Are we ready to go here?